Peel one onion. And dice it into cubes. If you prefer smaller pieces of onion, you can dice it into small cubes, but if you prefer bigger pieces, then cut it into big pieces. Subscribe to Fiya Food, smash the like button and click notifications on so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Peel 3 medium potatoes. You can either dice them into thick cubes or cut them into thick slices. Peel 3 carrots. Cut them into thick slices. Place in a pot of hot water and cook until the carrots and potatoes are medium cooked. 1 full chicken, and if you want the stew to be a little bit crispier, then you can use chicken with skin. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and heat. Once oil is heated, then place the chicken and fry until light golden, and add salt and pepper over it. Turn sides when the chicken is crispy and golden. Fry in batches so that you don't overcrowd the pot. Remove the vegetables from boiling. In the same pan, add onions and 3 garlic cloves minced and fry until translucent. Add 1 bunch of celery. You can either use the leaves or the stalks. I use the leaves. Add the fried chicken. I added 1 tablespoon of a paste I created from green chilies and dhania and ginger. For your seasonings, add 2 teaspoons salt, black pepper, 1 teaspoon red flakes, 1 teaspoon paprika and 1 tablespoon flour to make the curry thick. And add chicken stock as preferred. Add your carrots and cook until carrots are soft. Then add in the potatoes and cook until the potatoes are soft. Add 25 grams of tomato paste. Cook until stew thickens and then your stew will be ready. For an easier version, you can just add in all the ingredients and place into an oven and bake. However, I cook this over a stovetop. Dish out into your desired serving plate and enjoy. The dish is really stewy, thick, and the chicken is crispy and very delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do make it, I hope you tag me on my Instagram. Do let me know in the comments what you think about this recipe and do share it. Thank you for watching. Bye.